Canva is a popular graphic design platform. It empowers everyone to become designers. Canva offers simple drag-and-drop tools and professional templates. This makes creating stunning visuals easy. But Canva is more than just design. It's now powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, or AI. Canva AI takes your marketing to the next level. Canva AI helps create engaging content. It automates tasks. This saves you time and effort. You can focus on other aspects of your business. Canva AI offers a suite of powerful tools. These tools are designed to streamline your workflow. Let's explore how Canva AI can transform your digital marketing efforts. Getting started with Canva AI is incredibly easy. If you're new to Canva, simply sign up for a free account. Explore the user-friendly interface. Canva offers a vast library of templates. You'll find designs for social media posts, presentations, and more. For existing users, you'll find the AI tools seamlessly integrated into the platform. Look for features like Magic Write, Magic Design, and Text-to-Image. These AI-powered tools are designed to make your design process smoother and more efficient. Don't be afraid to experiment. Canva offers a wealth of resources and tutorials to help you get the most out of their AI tools. Canva AI is packed with features to revolutionize your marketing. Magic Write helps you generate compelling copy in seconds. Say goodbye to writer's block. Input your topic and let the AI craft engaging content for your social media posts, website copy, or even blog articles. Magic Design is a game changer for visual content creation. Upload an image or describe your vision. Canva AI will suggest stunning design templates tailored to your needs. This feature is a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on refining your message and brand identity. Text-to-image is another revolutionary tool. It transforms your written descriptions into unique visuals. Imagine typing a serene sunset over a mountain lake and having Canva AI generate a stunning image that perfectly captures your words. Section 4. Canva AI in Action, Step-by-Step Guide to Success. Let's walk through how to use Canva AI to create a captivating social media post. First, choose a template that aligns with your brand. Next, use Magic Write to generate attention-grabbing captions. Experiment with different tones and styles to see what resonates with your audience. Now, enhance your visual content. Utilize text-to-image to create eye-catching graphics. Don't forget to incorporate your brand colors and fonts for a cohesive look. Finally, use the built-in analytics to track your post performance. Analyze the data and adjust your strategy accordingly. Section 5. Canva AI Success Stories, Real-World Inspiration. Countless businesses have achieved remarkable results using Canva AI. Small businesses with limited marketing budgets have leveraged Canva AI to create professional-looking content that rivals their larger competitors. E-commerce brands have used Canva AI to design engaging product images and social media ads that drive sales. The intuitive interface and AI-powered features empower businesses of all sizes to elevate their marketing efforts and achieve their goals. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the future of digital marketing with Canva AI. Canva AI is a game changer for digital marketers. It simplifies design, automates tasks, and empowers you to create compelling content that resonates with your target audience. By embracing these AI-powered tools, you can save time, boost efficiency, and achieve remarkable results. Start exploring Canva AI today. Unleash your creativity. Take your digital marketing to new heights. The future of design is here, and it's powered by AI.